So hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're coming with something kind of different. We heard that Ishawna came out with her Equal Rights and Justice song. So it was his idea to watch it. So we're going to watch it together. This is the first time either of us is watching it. So let's see how it goes. Ready? Alright, here we go.
I just got started. What you think one round can do? Bumper to your forehead. Show me what your tongue can do. If you don't have it in a waist, you better have it in a face. Bright enough for you, look out for shine you. And you know what tears. You have a clean mouth and your lips them sexy. Treat me like a bottle of Pepsi. Your back man and you and your face look cute. Be with me like a back juice. We say equal rights and justice. People like a customers. My pussy tight cut up like a kill like cutlass. But if you want egg my youth, you have to suck this. Why? Me not go compromise. Me want feel how your head feel between the thighs. Me want looking at your dreamy eyes when you are chew on me boom boom like French fries. You never hear about
Sure, French fries.
modern times don't relax.
Our boobs have look good though.
If me ever bring it up in a the group chat, you get the trees some for your birthday.
Look what?
Sexy, treat me like a bottle of Pepsi. Your back man and you and your face look cute. Deal with me like a back juice.
But Ishawna disappointment.
And justice. No ignorant people like a cuss this. My pussy tight cut up like a kill like cut this. But if you want egg my youth, you have to suck this. I love it when the man them brave up. Kind of man of them good tongue and savor. That me like when you eat me right when you do it. Me gal and outrageous. Put your lips on me clip, make me gear up. Let out you in a freak about a cage up. That we like when you eat me right when you do it. Me gal and outrageous. You have a clean mouth and your lips them sexy. Treat me like a bottle of Pepsi. Your back man and you and your face look cute. Deal with me like a back juice. We say equal rights and justice. No ignorant people like a cuss this. My pussy tight cut up like a kill like cutlass. But if you want egg my youth, you have to suck this. Ain't afraid of nobody. And when me time in the girl not like me. Me shave off my body. Me drink my pineapple juice nightly.
Pineapple
Me
juice?
take care of my body.
Oh.
Everybody pineapple juice.
Supposed to name me nightly. Been afraid of nobody who don't like me, them fi buy me. Tie you have a clean mouth and your lips them sexy.
You do that brace still up.
Like
win.
your back man and you and your face look cute. Deal with me like a bad news. We say equal rights and justice. No ignorant people like a justice. Me pussy tight cut up your cocky like cut this. But if you want it my youth, you have to suck this.
Okay.
Interesting,
Very interesting.
to say the least.
So what? Oh, you like it? You like it?
Yeah. I mean, it's interesting. I mean, I'm not going to be biased about it. You get me?
Me just agree with her. Me just totally 100% agree with her.
I mean, the first time I hear about this song, and then you hear the man them start make up a bag of knives and all these things. I'm looking at them and say, yo, you know, some man of them bias. You understand?
And there are set of hypocrites because half of them are doing it.
And y'all are hypocrites, get me?
So, what you guys think about the song and the music video? Comment below. So,
Go ahead, Jimmy, back juice, yeah?
my Pepsi down. You want to watch it again? You want to watch it again? alright guys, we go watch it again.
Yeah, one more time.
One more
You
time.
deserve a retake.
Yeah, but this time without you guys. So look out for all our other videos, and if you have not yet if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, go ahead and subscribe. Click the like button, and when you subscribe, remember to click that bell so you get the notification.
Right, because it doesn't make any sense you subscribe and you're not getting the notification.
Right.
So you click the bell so you can get the notification as to when we put up new videos.
Because we have a lot of new videos coming out.
And lots
of content. So guys, until next time, bye.
Peace out.
Bumper to your forehead. Show me where your tongue can.